What's going on, guys? It's Austin here. So I have been debating. I've got a 570 Can-Am, and I've been seeing YouTube videos of how fast they can really go. So today I decided on making a video about how fast my Can-Am can go, and I've seen some go between 55, 50, 60, 65. And today we're going to put it to the test and actually see how fast they can actually really go. Anyways, if you ain't subscribed or anything, please subscribe and leave a like and comment. And if you like these kind of videos, just let me know and I'll keep making them. But I hope you guys have a good day and enjoy the video. Alright guys, I'm heading out here to my buddy's house because my Can-Am's out here and I'm almost there. But besides me doing this video today, I got a couple more I'm going to do. And if you, like I said, if you guys like these type of videos, let me know and I'll keep making them. And at the same time, I'm still going to keep doing the trucking videos, but also on the same channel. And if you guys will go support the Instagram, I'll leave it in the description. And also, if you will, please subscribe and hit the bell and show my channel some love. But anyways, we're about to be there, and whenever we get there, we're going to get this video rolling. Thank you. Alright guys, I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me because of my audio, but let's do it. What's up, guys? I'm back. That thing is quick. I didn't think it would be, you know, going that fast for a 570, even though it is a V-twin turbo. And Can-Am, I want to give y'all a shout out, and Mike's Golf Cart. That's where I got it from, down here where I live at. I want to give y'all a shout out. And guys, I love my Can-Am. That thing is quick. And if you are looking for a four-wheeler, go with Can-Am, guys. It's really good. I love it. And with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and I'll have more videos coming out. Appreciate it, guys.